What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's good to see y'all. Like, it's been a little minute. If you're watching this video, that means you want to see how I made my bottom lashes and how I put them on. If you're new, make sure you stop what you're doing right now and you hit that subscribe button so you can join Leash Nation so we can grow together and go low together. Alright, without further ado, let's hop right into the video.
I'ma stay to it, yeah. Tell me, are you pushing? Do you love somebody?
Okay, so this is the lash right here. Basically, I'm going to tear them into clusters, so I'm going to be ripping out chunks off of the lash. This is an extra eyelash I have. I think I lost the other one, so I'm just using this. When you trim your lashes, you want to keep the trimmings because you use them as bottom lashes. So basically, this is a big chunk. So what I'll do is I'll rip it so that I can create a cluster. I'm going to show you somewhere on the screen what a cluster looks like, but basically you're making your own clusters. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. I'm literally just taking some of the hair like this and I'm going to tear it. So you see how I just made a cluster? That's literally all I'm doing right here. Like, I just made a cluster right here, and then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on my eyes. You actually want to put on your bottom mascara. If you wear bottom mascara, you want to put that on first. You don't really have to all the time, but some of the times, you know, you want that extra drama added. Like, sometimes you need that extra. You want to pick the smallest clusters for in the beginning of the eye because you don't just want it to start off like dramatic right away. Make it look semi-natural. I'm literally putting it underneath the hairs. You want to make sure you're putting it underneath the hair. Okay, so that's the first one that I have on. Okay, so we got the middle one on, and now I'm gonna put the last one on. I usually always do 3. You can do more if you want, but that's usually the norm. It's like 3. It's really not that difficult. The most complicated thing I would say about it is making sure when you're ripping the clusters that you don't tear the hairs out of the band. It's very convenient than buying the individual lashes and then putting them underneath, because those don't look that realistic because all of the hairs in the cluster are the same length. When you're taking it off of a eyelash band, they're already different lengths because that's just the way they do, you know, depending on what lash you buy. But you see how these are shorter in the front and these are longer down here. Like, the clusters are going to be the same way and it just looks better, honestly. So yeah, we're going to do this side and we're going to put on the clusters on this side, a little bit smaller for the front because you kind of want them to match. You don't want one eye looking good and the other one looking like, what the fuck happened? What happened? Like, it doesn't have to be like extremely identical, but as long as it's like somewhat. Okay, this one is a little bit thicker than this one. So this is the finished look with the bottom lashes. The bottom lashes just add so much extra drama to the look and some added detail, and it just makes it pop, I feel like. But yeah, you can definitely make these bottom lashes with the way I showed you. If you make them, tag me, let me know. I want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't even know what to call it. Is it a tip? Is it a technique? Is it a method? I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope this helped. If you're watching this, thank you for supporting me. Oh, you know what? I have to go. Actually, matter of fact, I gotta go do my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna serve y'all. I'll be right back.